My name is Pav Yadav and welcome to my channel. So my channel name is Digital Marketing Lab, and now today I'm going to show you the classified submission, how we can do. So the our URL is this permanent hiring. For this service we are I'm going to create a classified ad for this. So now we can start. So what we can do, first thing we can generate a title. For that, I can going for the easy option, the first perma and the permanent hiring services. Permanent hiring services in Canada. Our brand name is Glean Recruiters. Yeah, here it is, guys. So our title is ready now. So what we can do, we can generate a content for this title. So we can easily use for the chat GPT. So I can write a prompt for that. I can provide you with a title, and you have to write classified ad content. Sorry. Yeah, so our chat GPT is ready now. We can put it our title and trigger for the head option. Yeah, so our high quality ad content is ready now. We can do it something modification in this content. We can add our contact number. So this is our contact email ID. Website, there is no okay, yeah, option is there now. Mm. Yeah, so you can see this, guys, our content is ready. So what we can do, we can going for the yeah, I can show you the website authority, how much this website having authority. So you can see this, guy, according to Moz, this website domain authority is 46 and the page authority is 38 and spam score is 2%. It will be good for us. So now I can show you this website getting 52.5k monthly visitors, and the which country this website getting traffic for the India and the USA. Yeah, so and the Pakistan also. So now we can start. How we can do, we can going for the create free ad option. You can choose your category. For the my category, we are providing services, recruitment services. There is skill trade, small recreation, safety, real estate, housing, financials, computer communication. There is no mention my subcategory. So you can choose which country you are wanted to publish your ad. For the my case, I wanted to publish in Canada. Reason is British Columbia, and I can choose city anywhere. Yeah. So our reason is we are successfully selected our reason. Then the place you add on 150 miles, British Columbia. Okay, great. We can add it our headings in this content. Permanent. Why this? I can remove these things because this is not required. Our ad is will be going to expire in after 6 months. These are asking for the source URL. I can going to put it over there. Phone number. This is our phone number. Price 0.00. These are asking for the photo. I can download it easy. These things. There is option to no. Drag and drop is option is not available. These are asking me for the descriptions. Permanent. Okay. Yes, I want to promote my ad. Give me a link. This is a free. If you are going to click anywhere, they can ask you for the payment. So right payment features is free. Yeah. No thanks. And not. Congratulations, guys. Our ad is published now. They can. Your ad is finished and can now be seen by other users. Free ads may be delayed by 24 hours. Yeah. So our ad is successfully live now. You can see this message, and they are the yeah. There is option to view. We can add. Our ad is published now, man. And now I can show you. This is a do follow or the no follow backlink. Yeah. You can see this message. This is not approved yet. They can trigger a message. This ad will be taking time around 24 hours. So now I can show you in this era. Housing view permanent hiring. Where is our backlink? Yeah, here it is. I can show you. This is a do follow or the no follow backlink. Yeah, this is a no follow 100% no follow backlink, guys. So no worry, this website having a great traffic source, and it will be also a required. We can create. We can use tactics 30 and the 70. 70% we can create a do follow backlink, and the 30% we are creating a no follow backlink. So if you are watching till the end, guys, so thanks for the watching, and please subscribe my channel. If you have anything concern for me, please let me know, and I can also provide this backlink in my description section and the comment section. So thanks for the watching, and please subscribe my channel. Bye bye, guys, take care.